How to fix this account is currently locked on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this account is currently locked on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So whenever you're trying to log in into your TikTok and you get this error called this account is currently locked, that is because your account is locked by TikTok itself. So to unlock it, what you'll have to do is you'll have to contact TikTok's support. To do that, open up your web browser and then search for TikTok and support. So after you search for TikTok support, it will open up the TikTok support's links. Now right here you should find report a problem. Tap on report a problem and it will take you to TikTok's support. After you're here, what you can do is you can report about your problem to TikTok. Now you'll need to select a topic. So here you can select a topic. You can simply select general account inquiry, and under category you can simply select an option that is on the top called login issue. Now here simply type in your username and then your contact email. Now make sure that you use the email that is associated to your TikTok, or if it's not, you don't have an email associated to it, you can simply enter any email that they can contact you with. After that, you'll have to tell them about your locked account. So you can tell them about your locked account and why it's a misunderstanding and why you need it. So just type in these stuff, that is, just type in the reasons for this, why your account is locked, and just why it's a misunderstanding. If they're saying that you have violated the community guidelines or stuff, just tell them that it's a misunderstanding and why you need it. So after you do that, you can then upload your screenshots and stuff, and then just declaration of this, and then tap on submit. After you do that, TikTok will get back to you with the solution for this problem and you can just unlock your account. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and